Hi guys, good afternoon. Ngayon we'll be traveling and we're going to South Korea. So we're just getting ready. We're about to go. There's Gab.
Here.
Hi Gab.
Hi.
Where are you going today?
Korea.
Yeah. So we're really excited. So samahan nyo kami. Later we'll be in Seoul and we'll show yung aming travel sa airport, sa plane, hanggang sa pagdating ng Korea. And this is just day 1. Say bye!
Bye-bye.
Okay guys, let's go. So bago umalis, no? So ito lang, check yung mga maleta. Ang dami ng maleta, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 check-in baggages. Tapos ito mga hand carry. So medyo madami at magiging hassle talaga to. Okay, yan lang. So yan guys, oh, yung ating van transfer for today. Andiamo Travels and Tours kay Vlads, ating tropa. Syempre premium yan, boy. Artista van.
Ano na to? Pang long distance, tara na!
Let's go!
Na.
Hi guys, now we're in the van. And now going to the airport.
Where are you going today?
Korea.
And what are you going to do in Korea? You don't know?
Li- li- to celebrate my birthday
Wow.
and Lotte World.
Lotte World. Wow. Okay. Gawin na traffic ng Pinas.
Dahaya siya. Hi guys. And I'm here. Maybe I will see you. So I will come and
Oh, what happened to your iPad, Gab? It's because it didn't charge it. It's slow back. Play na tayo. What are you eating, Gab? Hi, Mama. Excited? Amoy Korea na? Amoyin mo to ulit. Amoyin mo to para lalong amoy Korea.
Ito na lang.
Ano excited? How was your flight?
Good.
What do you mean good? You just slept. And it's so hard to wake you up. So yun guys, paglabas namin, pagkatapos namin sa immigration, no, umiretso agad kami rito sa labas, sa may parking kasi yung van transfer na binook namin sa Klook, they just always wait for like 2 hours and sobrang tagal sa immigration ng Korea. So nagmadali kami right after na makuha namin yung aming mga baggage. So, dumiretso na kami rito. So, gaya namin na maraming gamit and nasa 5 kami. It's better na magganito, na mag-van transfer dahil marami gamit. At usually, 4 lang ang capacity ng mga sasakyan nila. So, yun.
Thank you, Lord. We arrived safely.
Now, if you're sleepy, you can sleep because it's an hour drive. Say hi.
Okay, hi.
You happy?
Yeah.
Excited? Not cold?
Yeah.
Not being cold?
Yes, it's cold.
Hey,
Cold there.
you talk to your viewers.
Hello.
Tell them. Who
We're
are you?
We're inside the van and we're here too.
We look at your face. It's so near. So just like that. Okay, again.
We're here too. Korea.
Ano yung gamit mo?
So we're going to
Yung maliit, yung papel.
hotel.
Nandun yung ano nila.
Hello.
Papel mo.
And I'm going to sleep.
You're very tired.
Hello.
So, hi madam. Kamusta naman yung emote natin dyan, madam?
We got all night, no one is rushing. We're all in slow motion, bodies are touching. We spent it all on whiskey and Molly. Nobody's gonna remember tomorrow. DJ, please turn this song up. Play till I can't get enough. I'm losing myself in this moment. This side is ours and we know it. We on the night. We on the night. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, we on the night. This side is ours and we know it. We on the night.
Local feels tayo. Hahanapin natin saan ang ating Airbnb. May address naman tayo pero hindi ganun kadali eh. Ang mga addresses dito sa Korea, hindi gaya sa Pinas na madali mong mahanap. Yung mga... So, ito talaga. Local feels.
Dito yung ano, Korean novel.
Doon daw, papasok tayo ron. So guys, from the street, ano? This is the street. Grabe, no? Parang yung mga nasa K-drama. Ito yung papunta sa aming Airbnb. So, nabook yata namin ito through Airbnb. Airbnb nga eh. Tingnan mo, no? Parang, pero dito kami. Ito. Okay. So, dito kami sa baba. Meron pa dong parang bahay sa taas. Pero dito lang kami sa baba. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung amang na-book na Airbnb. So, ayun. Ito, ano to? Oh, chinelas, lagay ng mga sapatos. Pagpasok mo, pwede ka na agad maglaba. Ayan. So, inside, ang daming maleta. Okay, so parang kompleto naman. May tutuan. Okay. Staff only. Staff only. So, ang daming plato. Microwave. CR. Oh.
Uy, laki ng washing machine.
So, meron yata siyang tatlong room. First room. Ayan. First room.
Oo nga, no?
Second room. And third room. Oh, ito dalawa yung bed. Okay. So, yan guys.
Hindi na masikip. Ano talaga beach Chinese?
So pagkatapos namin mag-iwan ng gamit at mag-chinelas, kakain agad kami sa isa na naming nagustuhan na K-barbecue. Dito yon. Uy, nagpabuhat man. Premium meat nila.
Legit naman.
Itong gulay dito. Korean barbecue. Salad pa. Salad. Mga side dish.
Parang pusa.
Oh, wow, thank you. Timit natin, no?
Siya yung may-ari. Isa lang.
Pwede rin mga pisan to?
Yun yung tubig natin dahil.
Yun, no?
Sipag kaya sila.
Prepare na.
Mabilis.
Oh, unang lapag. Wow.
Sarap. Ano? Yummy. Siniran kami. Nagtutunod sa...
Bango. Naamoy ko na yung beef.
Pero pwede mo lagyan ng konti yan, hindi.
Kamusta ma?
Ay, super enjoy.
Apa, kamusta ba? Happy birthday.
Lord, thank you Lord to sponsor. Better more, and more.
Bossing. Ay, yung isa, yung little boss. Ayan, bagsak ang little boss. So, taob lahat. Anong sabi mo sa yung unang meal sa Korea?
Wow, amazing. Kailangan nag-ending ako sa ano eh. Ito, ulam. Talagang din sa mga
Kamusta pa ang ano?
Sarap. Ang layo pa lang. Ano natin, lunch dito pa. Pero plano pa tayo.
Boss, amo. Hindi ba tapos?
Hindi ko niya naman nasabi.
Taob yun. Okay, so after na makatulog, lumabas na ulit. Papunta naman kami ng Myeongdong Night Market. So tamang walking trip kami dahil mahirap mag-book ng venti sa Kakao or kahit yung comfort. So ito, tamang lakad muna rito. Bibili kami ng card, bus card dito sa mga convenience na hanap kami. So yan, okay, see you later mamaya sa Myeongdong. Umulan pala kanina, pero ngayon wala na ulan. Yung Namsan Tower, foggy kaya makikita ngayon. So yun guys, no, dahil mahirap mag-book kanina, hindi tayo makakuha ng venti or comfort na good for 5. So nag-decide kami na sila na lang 4 ang sumakay ng taxi, and then nag-bus na lang ako. Fortunately, tama naman natin ang binabaan ko at marating ako dito sa Myeongdong. Nice! Ito sila yun sa taas, kakarating na nila. So magkasunod lang kami. Could be HM sa bahay ng chicken.
Hindi mo ang cute ng sa kabila.
Bago na. Ah. So ito yun guys, favorite naming kainan dito na samgyup. Samgyup nila uni. So ito yung price nila dito. So ito yata yung special na itong 29.8 only na yan. Ang pinaka-highlight niya is itong lamb. Saka parang may premium beef na kasama dyan, alam ko. Napakasarap ng fried chicken dito. So ito yung nila. Talk soda time. parang sarado pa sila siguro. Ito, silang soup. Ito rice. Rice, chicken. Ito yung mga meat. Ito yung mga premium beef. Testing ito. Siyempre, mga panalong side dish. Mga condiments. Only kimchi. Sarap yan. Okay, nabalikan na namin ang aming favorite. So, cheers! Sarap, nakakamiss. Oh, ano masabi mo ba? Gab, so where are we going next?
The pink house over there.
Really? Why? What's in there? And let's go. Go, go. Go.
Maybe it's best if you look around and say, look, this is good. Yeah, see. There's a lot pa dyan.
Another one. A different pose. Another one. Another one.